Well, today we're going to tackle the driver's side front integrated wheel end 4x4 actuator and the wheel bearing and hub assembly on this 2013 Ford F-150, which only has 66,000 miles on it. There is a vibration coming from the front of the vehicle. At low speed, it almost feels like a gear meshing kind of vibration. Very consistent, kind of like what you might expect from a bad wheel bearing, where it just, you feel every roller as it passes over a certain spot. Strangely enough, no grinding sound, no growling, no loud noises whatsoever coming from the front of this truck. A little bit of a pulsation in the brake pedal, almost unnoticeable, so it's causing me to think that maybe this driver's side has overheated the brakes a little bit at one point in time. And there is some discoloration in this rotor here too that might be indicative of that, or it might not, because the truck sat for a little bit and was just driven for, I don't know, maybe about 10 miles. As you can see, it just polished off the rust here. So we're gonna have a look-see. Got to remove this brake caliper assembly first. Disconnect this line right here, which is actually the electrical connection for the wheel hub assembly's speed sensor. There's just a simple little electrical connector up here. It's kind of down there. Naturally, it'll be a little tough to reach because the degas bottle's in the way, but we'll get that disconnected and separate the ball joint at the top right here. Got to loosen that nut and allow this control arm to fall out. Same thing here. We got to disconnect the steering arm at the knuckle assembly. Then the whole assembly will lay out outboard of the vehicle and enable us to pull the axle shaft through and remove the integrated wheel end and the hub assembly. So I'll show you a little bit of this as we go by.